Hi, in this demonstration, we will see how to access our Google Workbook from the Forecast2Cash app. So, click on this button. You will be able to access your Google Workbook. Here you see formulas added there. In all parent nodes, there are formulas, and these child nodes contain values. When you change them, it reflects on all parents. In the current demonstration, we are searching for Downsize, which is the child of labor. Here is Downsize, and here are its current values. Where the baseline is 9 and the forecast is 10, here it shows the Downsize node in visualization with its values 9 and 10. In the next demonstration, we will see how to add new child nodes for each parent.